She got them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her because she was stunning. J is for jeans. That is why today I'm going to show you some handy tips and tricks of what you can do with your old jeans. You will need jeans. Thanks, Marion. First, we're going to make some DIY denim storage bags. Cut the legs of your jeans in 2 places. Cut off the bottom hem. Take one, turn it inside out. Put a little bit of glue in the bottom to make a seam. A very gentle tap. Then wait for it to dry and cool. We're going to turn it so that the seam is in the middle. You want to make a nice square at the bottom. We're going to cut off the tip. The glue goes in, close it. Then we turn it over, snip it, open it up and glue on the inside. Turn it back around, press on our seams nicely and we roll it. I mean, come on, is that not the cutest little denim container you've ever seen? Why don't we jazz up our little denim pouch by doing some reverse tie-dye using chopsticks. Slide them on like a stencil. Now we're going to spray on some jig. Turn it over, spritz. And now we wait for it to dry. Let's try another denim design. Dip the back of the chopsticks in a little bit of jig and stamp it onto your jeans. Our little jeans pockets are dry. Pull off the chopsticks. So oulik. There's it. Little storage containers of my jeans. Get it? Now let's make some snazzy jean wall pockets. For this, we need some embroidery hoops and you place it over the pocket of your jeans. These are the jeans that I cut up earlier. I'm just going to mark the circle with a Cokie pen. Now we cut just a single layer, guys. Snip, snip, snip. Separate your ring, lay over your denim, then place the next ring over. Tighten it. Now we turn it over. We're going to pop some hot glue on the inside of our ring. Fold it over very gently. Ta-da! Ah, these are so cute. In fact, much cuter than I anticipated. And not only do they look beautiful, they double up as storage too. Oh boy, am I excited for this next hack. We're gonna jazz up one of Marion's jeans jackets. She's gonna love it. First things first, get some scissors and cut it to pieces. Cut out each panel very carefully of your jacket. Don't cut the seams, guys, because then you've ruined it. Now's the time for our beautiful lacy fabric. Look at this sequence. We're going to go with our glue gun. So I'm going to start at the top like this. Take our fabric, lay it down, shiny side down. Pat it. I'm using gloves for this, guys. Along the bottom, and we lay it nice and straight. Onto the next panel, a little bit of glue, more fabric, glue it. Pat, pat, pat. Cut off the excess. Around we go. Ta-da! Eat my heart out, Project Runway. This is how they do it. And finally, let's make an upcycled utility belt. Take your jeans, cut off its legs. Make sure you don't cut through the pockets, guys. Now we're going to open it up, remove the fabric around the pockets, leave this middle seam, scoop it up into a little U shape, and I'm going to hand stitch it closed just a few times. Now let's pop in all of our tools. There's it. And there you have it, some jaw-dropping and joyous ways to jazz up your jeans. DIY, because anybody can. Jealous much?